Om Swastiastu. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Now, I'm standing here. I would like to present about the first topic, that is understanding food and beverage. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Kade Gita Dutami, but you can call me Gita, absent number 3 from class 4B Tourism Business Management. Well, ladies and gentlemen, talk about understanding food and beverage, we must know the definition about food and also beverage. And I start from the definition about food. Well, there are two definitions of food. First, food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is usually of plant, animal, or fungal in origin and contain essential nutrients such as carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamin, or mineral. And second, food is substance consisting essentially of proteins, carbohydrate, fat, and other nutrients that used in the body of an organism to sustain the growth, vital process, and provide energy. Well, there are 6 classifications of food. The first, according to their chemical nature, such as carbohydrate, vitamin, proteins, dietary fiber, fat, and water mineral. And second, according to their function, it is divided into 3. A. Element-giving food. The carbohydrate, fat, and proteins are considered as a calorie nutrients. For the example are rice, bread, potato, sugar, oil, and butter. And B. Body-building food. They are protein, fat, and carbohydrate because they are nutrients for body tissues. For the example are fish, meat, chicken, egg, nut, and milk. And last, protective food. They are vitamin and mineral because they can protect us from various diseases. For the example, some fruit and vegetable. And third, according to chemical properties, it has been divided into 2 categories. They are organic and inorganic. Organic is nutrients that contain the element of carbon. They are carbohydrate, lipids, protein, and vitamin. And meanwhile, inorganic is opposite of organic. Inorganic is nutrients that do not contain carbon. They are water and mineral. And fourth, according to its mass, it has been into 2 points. They are macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are needed in the large quantities daily, such as protein, carbohydrate, and fat. And micronutrients are needed in the small quantities, such as vitamin and mineral. And fifth, according to its origin, depending upon the origin of food, it has been classified as animal food source and plant food source. And last, according to its nutritive value, there are 12 categories such as cereal and meals, pulses, nut and oil seed, vegetable, green leafy vegetable, non-leafy vegetable, fat and sugar, fruit, milk and milk product, animal food such as meat, fish, liver, egg, and etc., carbohydrate food, and last, condiment and species. And now, definition of beverage. There are 3 definitions of beverage. The first, a beverage is any type of drink. Second, a beverage is liquid for human consumption by drinking. And last, a beverage is any one of various liquids is usually for drinking, excluding water. Well, why water is not included in a beverage? Yeah, because in the North American hospitality industry, the word beverage is restricted to mean alcoholic liquid, with other beverages such as soft drink, juice, water, coffee, tea, and etc. being run into the tills as food item. So, there are 2 classifications of beverage. They are alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage. Yeah, alcoholic beverage is portable liquid which contain 2% until 75% of liquor. They are produced by the introduction of yeast for fermentation into substances such as fruit, cereal, molasses, and plant extract. It has been divided into 2 categories. The first, fermented alcoholic beverage. They are wine and beer. And second, distilled alcoholic beverage. is alcoholic beverage product by distillation of mixture product from alcoholic fermentation. The example are wine, whiskey, vodka, gin, brandy, and tequila. Non-alcoholic beverage is all type of beverage that do not contain alcohol. The example are coffee, tea, juice, and etc. Well, that's all my presentation about understanding food and beverage. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Bye bye. Om Santi 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 Om.